What's going on? I am super excited about this video. I'm Bobby K, I'm a professional landscape designer and installer, and the reason I'm excited is because you get to see the designs and the fruition come to light. It is awesome feeling. So here's what's up. Did a design for a fellow YouTube subscriber about a year ago, and they wanted like a Japanese style for their front yard. But what's so cool about it is they kept me up to date the entire process, sending me photos and pictures and all that. And they just put together like a slideshow video where I'm gonna share with you their project from start to finish. It starts with the design, then you get all the install and everything together, and you get to see the fruits of your labor. What's so important about a design is you're getting everything put together before a shovel hits the ground, and then all those thoughts and those Pinterest images and Google and YouTube research and everything that you've done starts to become a reality. And all that hard work, whether you got an office job or you got something that maybe you just don't like, but you get to come home to something that you love, is what it's all about. And I'm just deeply moved and touched by this. I love that they sent this video and I get to share it with you. So enjoy. That was awesome. I really enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed that and you got to see just how important it is that, you know, if you get a design that you put everything that you really want, your heart and soul into it, so that when you're spending all this money to revamp your front yard or backyard or whatever it is, that it's worth it, you know? Like, you wanna make sure it's you. And that's why you make sure you hire a good designer, somebody who really gets that it's about you and it's not about things they've done in the past. This is what I like to do for people. If you're interested in a design, check out the links below. If you like these kind of videos, go watch some more. I've got lots of stuff where I tell you how much it costs, what's going on with the latest landscaping trends, and just things to help you with your landscaping. This is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out, create.